Hi, I'm Joe with American Burglary and Fire, better known in St. Louis as ABF Security. We've been receiving increased calls from our customers regarding the compatibility of their home security system or business security system and new digital phone providers such as ATT Uverse and Charter. For those of you who have had your alarm system for many years, you know that traditional security system monitoring was done over copper telephone lines. As technology moves towards digital everything, the world of copper telephone lines goes away. Home alarm system technology has been upgraded for this purpose. Wireless security system monitoring is now one of the best ways to avoid possible digital phone line issues. If you have upgraded your telephone service recently to ATT Uverse, Charter, or any other digital phone line provider, make sure to test your alarm system with your alarm monitoring company. And make sure they are receiving the emergency signals they should. For more information on home security systems, business security systems, or phone line compatibility issues with security systems, please give us a call at 636-349-1090 or visit us on the web at www.abfsecurity.com.